So, nandito lang ako sa isang room kasi sobrang may secret kami ni wifey for the kids. Tomorrow, ang alam ng mga kids is lilipad ako for a tour. So, syempre nalungkot sila na aalis na naman ako because the whole year, more than half of this year is nasa sa tour ako ni TJ. So, lagi ko silang naiiwan, lagi ako nawawala. So, tomorrow, sa surprise namin yung mga kids. Ang alam nila is ihahatid lang ako sa airport, ako lang ililipad. Pero hindi nila alam na nag-pack na kami ng gamit para sa kanila. Kasi we're going to Boracay. And gusto namin sila i-surprise at alam kong sobrang favorite nila ang beach. And we're just so excited to share this moment with you guys. Okay guys, so paalis na kami. So nag-bis na yung mga kids. So kala nila hatid talaga nila ako.
Mouse
Hey, huy. Hey Feds.
Look at it over there.
Are you gonna hatid me?
Yeah.
Where are you going guys?
How did you?
Where is Papa going ba? Abu
Dabu.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Where am I going ba? Where am I going?
Abu Dhabi.
Hi guys, we're last minute na packing.
So yan yung mga kids. So yan, alam lang nila. Hatid lang sila.
Alam nila, may excited sila. Bye-bye, Papa!
Bye-bye guys!
Bye guys! Say bye-bye to Papa! Hey, kiss Papa! Kiss Papa!
Okay, next week guys. Kissy. Bye-bye. Bye mama.
Bye!
Why did you bring the iPad?
Just in case you want to watch. No, we're going to the mall. Bakit ko dala yung iPad? So we're going to the mall after. We're gonna have lunch. Happy? Happy ka pa?
Papa's not here.
Oh, Papa is not here.
Was Papa going to the airport?
Okay. Hello. Ay, kuya. Hatid mo siya sa ano? Drop na ikaw sa ano, ha? Te? I-drop ka?
Parang I left something. Kasama yun na lang kaya? Kasama yun na lang. You want?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yay.
Let's go back kasama yun.
Ba't walang? Wala.
Meron.
Wala.
Nandiyan lang yan, naka-record yan. Let's go. Remove your seatbelt, come on.
Where are we going?
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Papa, can I go to the airport?
Come on, let's go. What do you want?
I want to go to the airport.
Let's go.
Ha? Saan ako na bumaba? SM Ora. Ibaba ka
Are you excited?
Kasi at least,
Let's go.
doon ka na mag-grab. Bye-bye.
Come on. Come on.
Ha?
I want to go on the airplane.
Sa inyo?
You video it.
What do you want?
I want to go to the airplane.
We'll see, I'll talk to them. So guys, where do you think we're going?
Inside you.
Where?
Where do you think we're going? Yes. Are you shocked?
Let's get
What's
Papa.
that? So where do you think we're going? Yes. Guess.
I don't know.
You, where do you think we're going? Wild guess.
Japan. Japan.
Japan? You.
Abu Dhabi.
Where?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. We'll see. You?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi din. Sobrang wala silang idea saan kami pupunta. We're going Japan. Japan. So guys, do you have any clue where we're going? You.
Ha? Abu Dhabi? Not Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is, you need visa.
You. Where do you think we're going?
It's near Dubai. It's part of Dubai.
No clue pa din? No clue?
I don't know.
No
I
clue?
don't know.
Record. Yan, it's recording na. Yan, it's recording na.
Camera free.
Yan.
The
Hi,
one
Mama.
that you did not bring. Hello.
Hi, Lauren. Hi, my name is Chiki. Hi, Auntie. Hi, owner.
Yes?
Hi, owner of this camera.
Hello, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Hey, bud.
Mabuhay, we are pleased to have you in
Gamitin lamang ang mga lavatories na itinakda
Hey, Freedom.
and the
You
date
know where
today is
we are?
October 31, 20.
No idea pa din?
Fly in the forest.
Naglag na tayo, wala pa sa kanya. Murphy? Louder. Freedom, better, right? That's still brand new. Saan na tayo, Feather? Hi guys! Hi Feds! We're in Boracay! Pogi! Pogi! Hey! You know, kung saan na tayo ngayon?
Boracay.
Yun lang ikaw.
Boracay.
Are you guys excited?
Boracay.
Are you excited? Excited? Are you
Very
excited?
excited.
Huh?
Very excited.
Yeah! So, Kof, ano pakiramdam na na-surprise silang lahat?
I'm happy that they're surprised. And success ang surprise.
Success?
It was a success.
In-expect nyo ba talaga pagising nyo na you're going here in Boracay today? As in, you had no idea?
Yeah,
No
no idea.
idea?
No idea.
Hi guys, where's your towel? Okay.
Let's see my towel.
Towel, oh, open it. So you can wipe your hands. Open it! Hey, open it!
Your cabin attendant for today's cruise. Our visit time is approximately 5 minutes to Boracay Island. Life jackets are found under your seats. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy our cruise. Thank you po.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Okay lang? Thank you so much.
Hello!
Magandang umaga po.
Oh, hi! Hello! Oh, thank you. Thank you. The towel again. Hello. Thank you.
This is cucumber and cabbage.
Papa, can you give me the apple?
Wow. You can get the juice.
Yeah.
Forrest, go. Cucumber and calamansi. Go.
Here.
Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, cheers, cheers.
Happy,
Cheers.
happy moon.
Yes. Okay lang. Go, drink. How was it?
Good. Oh,
It's okay lang po.
it keeps falling.
So, nandun na po for the IDs. And also as mentioned, sabihin po natin sa Women's Dental Foundation, it will be located in over the beach pond. So, it's when you get the back po siya ng hotel. So, we can make room po. And,
Hi guys.
Tatan, where are we guys?
We're at Discovery Boracay.
And you are?
Excited to go around.
How about you?
Excited to go to the beach.
How about you?
Excited to have fun.
Wow!
Going,
Okay.
you're going to. Ate and Aya. You guys, they're playing tic-tac-toe.
Okay.
So look. I want to be the circle. I want to be the circle.
Okay, ready.
Let's start.
So we're playing.
You go first. One more here. Yeah, I hope you got to become 5. This one.
Hey.
Ano sila that slide guys?
Okay, guys. So, mag-room tour kami ni Freedom. So, Freedom, ano meron dito sa room? Sa Discovery Boracay. So, wow. So, ano to? Say, this is the bed.
This is the bed.
Nice. Hey, Freedom. Look at the ano. John, Forrest. What's that? Freedom. Isabel. And Feather. Hey, what do we have there? Oh my gosh, ang sweet naman.
They put us on.
Sobrang sweet.
They put us in a cake.
Wow. Say thank you. Thank you, Freedom. Say thank,
Thank
you.
you.
My gosh. Super sweet. Mr. John, Miss Olive, Forrest, Freedom, and Feather. Welcome home. What's this? This is yours?
Daddy.
Okay, where's the washroom? Check natin yung washroom. Oh, ito yung bar. Freedom. Go. So, that's what?
There's our sink.
Ano yan?
There's our sink.
Okay, and then? Sige.
And this is our shower. And this is our toilet.
Okay, shower.
And toilet.
And... Alright. Nice room tour, buddy. Fist bump. Ay, check natin yung view sa labas. Check the view outside. Check the view. Oh! So, may veranda talaga siya. And that's the view. Super lapit namin sa restaurant. Saya.
It's so warm. It's touching my leg. Yeah. Not again. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it's hard, Papa.
Enjoy?
Look, I didn't know he's no.
Hey guys! So, grabe na po ang mga to. Enjoy?
Yeah, but she's already done.
Oh, almost done na siya.
Ate,
Oh my god, that is so cute. What's that?
It's a little flower.
Hey, Mama. Happy ka dyan, Mama?
Yeah, and this
Mama.
one flower.
Happy ka dyan?
Forever.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you. Forever. Papa, what's in the mood? This is just there.
Yeah.
Oh! Shake, drink. Wala.
Wow.
shakes we can
Sige, anong ma-offer mo?
Fruit shakes, frozen calamansi, frozen iced tea, frozen coffee, sago at gulama.
Ikaw rin gusto mo?
Dessert!
So, magla-lunch na kami dito sa Taon Tap. Favorite namin yan. Lagi kami nagpumunta rito pagka nandito kami sa Boracay. Okay, so hindi po to paid ads, pero sobrang favorite talaga namin ni White ito. Yan. Inasal. Puso lang. Ano. Ito kansi, oh. Yan. This is our lunch. What's that? Show it.
Inasal!
Inasal. Alright, so anong in-order mo ka?
We ordered yung
Small lang?
small na mix. Yung Choco Panda, Coco Pandan and original.
Hi. Wow. Ito na yun. Oh, hindi, ngayon wala. Wala si Camille Prats. Ayun na. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Hello. Hi, guys.
Hi, what is snow
Are you ready to swim?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll swim tomorrow.
Papa, is this snow time?
Mukhan. Sarap.
Our toys!
What?
Our toys! Our goggles! Count first how many you have. I have 0. Yun na lang.
Hey, come on. Let's go.
I'm ashamed.
Come on here. Dito tayo.
Let's dig water out of the sand! It's Seven! I did.
Here.
I am here in the castle alone.
Dito, oh, there's a castle na, oh.
Get out! Want some babies? It's gonna be an ocean, everybody!
Hi, G.
I'm making a starfish. Uh-oh!
Oh!
The wave is touching me!
Ang lalim, no? Gano'ng kalalim? Tayo ka nga.
Ha?
Tayo ka.
Kasi pwedeng
Tayo ka. Ikaw. Feather, stand up.
Hi!
Parang malalim eh. Ayan, oh. Low tide kasi today, guys. So,
Bye-bye!
Thank you, Roxy, for my swimwear.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
And thank you rin sa tayo stay ngayon, guys.
And thank you also, Roxy and Papa.
Uncle Phil.
Quicksilver.
And boom! Casually, thank you. Discovery!
I got this. Put in the block.
Kaya mo ba ba?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Hey, Forrest, come here. We have to camera.
Para sa inyo. Forest Goods?
Oh!
Ayan na, big wave.
Boat time. On wave time. Uh-oh. Look me down. Okay, I'm alright.
Freedom, kilit sa ilalim. Pag may wave. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Ha?
I'm only walking the peace water. I'm not.
And nag-stop ako dahil nag-allergy na naman ako. So, ayan sila, mga allergies. Mga allergy ko nag-attack na naman. Talagang here sa Boracay. Ah. So, nag-order na lang ako ng pizza for the kiddos. Yay! And Papa is there. How to zoom this? Basta nandun siya. Okay? Bye!
Hey, Pri, what did you say? What?
This is the best day ever.
Wow. So we're having breakfast.
And I have one choco.
Mm-hmm.
And my favorite tea.
Hi, Mama. Vloggers. So nagbe-breakfast na kami, guys, dito sa Discover Boracay. Ayan. So we have this. Sarap to. Tapa. Casino. Kape. Lunchtime.
Yeah, we're going to Sunnyside.
Yes.
And I'm sad
Bakit?
because as you can see my face, bakit parang may allergy talaga ako dito sa tubig. But it's clean naman. I don't know why.
Look, there's a village.
There's a village.
That's why I let you learn to swim so that you won't become like me.
And I
Yes, it's coffee time. How do you do it? So, ganito siya. Tapos, galing, no? Amaze ako. So, coffee time, buddy.
coffee time.
Wow, our lunch for today.
Plain na lang. Kasi akala ko ito yung typical garden.
Yeah. So, this is our lunch. Nasaan tayo ngayon? Sunnyside Cafe. Where are we, buddy?
Sunnyside Cafe. Miguel. Hi, fans. Sunnyside. It's just there. Sunnyside Cafe.
Diba kami nag-lunch kanina? Ano?
Init! Let's go!
We're gonna go swimming like that. We're gonna swim first.
Guys, look here.
Wow! Super nakaka-happy talaga to. Gulaman water. Sobrang random lang na dinala dito. Na-amaze ako sa service dito sa Discovery Boracay. Sobrang na-amaze talaga ako. Ang babait nila. Tsaka sobrang alaga ka. So ito yung sinasabi ng friend namin na pag nandito ka daw, nilalagyan ka ng Evian sa mukha. So may experience na ni Liv. Ito na. Okay. Ayan na. Feather, come here, come here. Experience it, come on. Fresh and fresh. Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Ito.
Okay, go to us, please. Yeah, thank you. And chicken and cheese croquette.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you, sir?
Sige, mamaya ako yan.
Sorry, meron ba yun?
Ang saya, enjoy ka.
Sir, good
Sige,
afternoon.
try ko na yan.
How are you, please?
Jigs.
Flash your SP.
Okay.
Thank you, Sir Jan.
Salamat, sir.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Oh, thank you.
Freedom. Freedom. Because it's your birthday and Mama's birthday. Come here. Happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday, buddy. It's your birthday and Mama's birthday. That's for Mama and that's for you, buddy. So, where are you gonna sleep? Yay! What will you say sa Discovery Boracay?
Thank you, Discovery Boracay.
Yes, they're so sweet.
Ready? Bring your seat.
It's Mama's and Freedom's birthday. Come on, guys.
So I will.
Come on. So that's the bed of Freedom for tonight.
It's nice? Pala, amin na lang para mamaya.
So Feather, it's our third day today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going.
Home.
Oh. Hey Forrest, are you gonna swim? Jesus. Hi Mama.
We're going home tomorrow. Kaya lubos-lubosin na namin yung beach. And itong stay namin sa Discovery na napakasarap.
Wait lang.
Thank you so much Discovery sa for taking
Pamper.
care of it. For taking care of us.
Hashtag,
And
ano yung hashtag natin?
yung pamper nyo sa amin, grabe. Kaya yung hashtag namin ni John dito ay, paano?
Oo, paano meaning? Paano tapatan? Kasi sobrang
Paano maka-move on sa service ng ginawa nyo?
honest to service.
Grabe
Thank you so
kayo.
much. So ngayon,
Thank you.
ayun yung beach namin ngayon sa harapan. So, gusto
Hi, Charles. Charles Tew.
Pick up, saan na tayo pupunta?
Somewhere.
Di mall.
Hanap na food.
Yeah. So, maghahanap na kami ng food. Guys, we're going Di Mall.
We're going to the mall.
Papa.
Ano?
Whoa.
Okay.
Yes. I'm getting scared.
Why?
God, I'm scared.
So, is this hindi naman yun yung first time mag-trike, di ba?
Yeah, we've been here already.
No, you rode this already with nila Nolan and Nana, right?
Yeah.
Last year. It was their first time to try this one. Last year.
Hi, Free.
Papa, say hi.
Say hi.
Hello. Papi might drop it. Careful.
Okay, we're here na in the mall, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, dito na kami, kuya, no? Dito na tayo. Tara.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Hi.
Come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're causing traffic.
Bye.
What did you order?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni pizza, you... Cheese. What did you order? Lasagna? Okay, the famous pizza is here. Oh, get na. What do you want? Okay, where's your plate? Where's your plate?
One piece.
Oh. Okay.
One
No, 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 that's Forest.
Then I have one cheese and one pepperoni.
One of these also? It's hot, guys.
Papa cheese.
Cheese, you want cheese?
Pepperoni also.
Give me your
This one here,
Pepperoni
cheese.
also.
Hello.
Enjoy your dinner.
Hi, thank you. Thank you, Kuya Ryan. Wow. Sige, thank you. It's our private dinner.
Shells. I get the shells.
Wala na may shell. Mamaya na.
Don't get the
Hey, hey, hey.
It's like we're in Galaxy.
Yes, there's Galaxy. What's that? Hey, what? Can you read? Can you read?
Advance happy birthday, Freedom.
Whoa! How about this one? How about this one?
Happy birthday, Freedom.
Happy birthday, buddy! And you have toys. Freedom, get yours. Where's your ano? Yun.
I'll take the one on the
Oh.
left. Oh, no.
Yan. Wow, and Freedom, oh, look at your cake.
It's a basketball.
Hi, Feather, Freedom, and Forest. We hope you had an awesome time here at our happy place. We bet you love splashing in the pool and playing with the fine sand on the beach. Your ates and kuyas can't wait to have more fun and adventures with you soon. See you again for more fun and sunshine. Your Discovery Boracay family.
Mama, don't Mama,
Sweet.
And look,
Oh, wait.
look, free.
Aw.
Freedom.
Ay, ang cute naman ito. Towel yan, Kafu.
Look at this one. Is so precious. I'm gonna keep
Ang
it.
galing.
And freedom.
Oh, they made another
Something.
Wow.
I got the other side of it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nakalagay?
Happy birthday, Freedom. May your day be as bright as your smile and as magical as your dreams.
Housekeeping gem.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna draw.
Hey, say thank you, Free.
Thank you.
Wow.
Here. Amazing Grace.
Ano no? Amazing Grace.
What is that thing? Freedom, say it.
Wow.
This must be my favorite place.
Huh?
Thank you, favorite place.
Really?
Yeah. This one is my favorite. This is me.
Okay, so it's our last night dito sa Discovery Boracay. Tomorrow we're going back home. So kung napapansin niyo kung ano yung tumatama-tama na green sa mukha ko, ayan po siya. Yan. Ayan siya. Galaxy, yan ang anak ko. Happy siya. Kasi sinurprise siya ng ito si Feather. Hello. Ito yung isa. Pang!
It's
Not
from
out.
Discovery.
It's from Discovery, Boracay. Ayan, okay. So, we just want to thank everyone. Cough, no? Ito, kain pa siya.
May popcorn dito eh.
Oh, ayan. Taters. So, gusto na namin mag-thank you sa lahat ng staff, sa chef, Discovery Boracay.
Discovery.
Thank you so much. Napakagandang experience na binigay niyo sa family namin. Honestly, sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi this whole year, sobrang hirap makakuha ng sked for me to bond with my kids because the whole year I've been touring. Ang hirap makahanap ng schedule tapos yung mga bata nag-aaral pa. So, sobrang itong 4 na araw namin dito sa Boracay kasama ang Discovery Boracay. Sobrang worth it. Yung quality talaga yung time na na-spend ko with my kids and with my wife.
Yung pahinga sobrang importante na yun eh. And Discovery made it Discovery made it more special.
Sa nakita nyo naman sa buong vlog na to. Nakita nyo naman na sobrang dami nangyari. 4 na araw lang kami guys, pero sobrang dami nangyari. So definitely, babalik kami. #paano. Paano, ibig sabihin ng paano, #paano mag-move on sa experience namin dito sa Discovery Boracay. Again, thank you. And thank you for joining our vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. 'Di ba sa experience namin dito. Actually, kaya naman kami nag-vlog hindi para mag-promote or kumbaga mag-monetize. Wala sa isip namin yan. That's why nag-vlog kami is to have that memory.
Yes. Na one day, pag makita ng mga anak namin to, memory siya. Para siyang, kung dati may photo album, ito parang video.
Yeah.
Video album.
Okay. Bye guys. Again, thank you, Discovery
God bless you
Boracay.
guys.
Mwah!